Everyone, welcome to my channel. I am doing a voiceover. I did want to attach this to the video. I recently received a letter in the mail in regards to student loan forgiveness. This particular round, I guess you could say, I did not qualify as I did go back and get my master's like 12 years ago. And so I received a letter and it said if my school had closed or if it closed while I was going through the program, which neither of those things were applied to me. So I didn't qualify under that. And so I recently did a little search and information, and that's kind of how I came up with this particular video. And I went online to the Department of Education and I did a loan consolidation of my old loans. I selected the income driven repayment plan under the SAVE, um, I guess you call program. And so I read that Biden was going to be doing a review of loans under the SAVE program here soon to do a round of forgiveness. So this will be my second go at trying to get my loan forgiven. A big burden taken off of my shoulders if I can have that so that I could utilize the money that I use to make those payments towards something else. So if you find anything in the information that I just gave you or the video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Ever wondered how you can get your mountain of student loan debt forgiven? It's done through a series of steps that involve enrolling in an income-driven repayment plan, making consistent payments, and applying for forgiveness at the right time. Stick around to learn how you can do this too. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Student loan forgiveness isn't a myth, it's a real process that can help you get rid of your student debt. But it requires patience and consistent effort. Let's delve into the steps on how to make this happen. Step 1 is understanding your loan. Not all loans are eligible for forgiveness. The most common types that are include direct loans, which are federal loans made directly to students. If you have a different type of loan, like a federal family education loan or a Perkins loan, you might need to consolidate these into a direct consolidation loan first. Step 2 is enrolling in an income-driven repayment plan. These plans cap your monthly loan payment at a percentage of your discretionary income. There are 4 types of these plans: income-based repayment, pay-as-you-earn, revised pay-as-you-earn, and income-contingent repayment. Each of these has its own eligibility requirements and terms, so you'll need to figure out which one works best for you. The third step is making payments. You must make consistent on-time payments over a period of 20 to 25 years, depending on your repayment plan. It's crucial to stay on top of these payments, as missing even one could set you back. Step 4 involves applying for forgiveness. After you've made the required number of payments, you can apply for loan forgiveness. If your application is approved, the remaining balance of your loan will be forgiven. The final step is keeping track of your progress. Keep all your paperwork and payment records in a safe place. You'll need them when it's time to apply for forgiveness. To summarize, student loan forgiveness is a process that involves understanding your loan, enrolling in an income-driven repayment plan, making consistent payments, applying for forgiveness, and keeping track of your progress. It's not a quick fix, but with patience and diligence, it can lead to a future free of student debt. Remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.